This one, which is attached here behind, yeah, this is definitely by far my favorite phone mount. It attaches super well, but fantastic option if you need it to mount. So I'll just mount it on there. There we go. Yeah, so I just mount it on there, and now I don't have to hold the camera at all. I can just sit here. It's mounted right above my screen, looks fantastic, works great. So you get a little metal ring that you attach onto your phone case, and that secures it onto the mount there. So it's magnetized and it's not going to go anywhere. It's a fantastic option if you're looking for a mount that mounts to your screen, behind your screen, beside your screen. You can rotate it to different spots and have it set up how you like for your viewing pleasure, whether you need it to use it for Waze maps, whether you want to record yourself in the vehicle for whatever reason. If you're making a YouTube video like I am right now, you can do that. So here, this one, let me attach that there. You can see how that works there. So that's how I usually have it, but you can also, if we loosen this, sorry guys, has lots of adjustability. You can adjust it. I can rotate my phone this way. I could put it here and then lock it in place. So you could have it secured like that as well. You can basically set it up however you like, whatever's going to work best for you. From this viewing angle, this is like where my eyesight is, so you could definitely see the phone and anything you need to see on there very well if you need to. And then the way I like to have it is up top there, and that works good if you need it for Waze or if you need to film any content of yourself. When you have it that way, you can have the camera filming out the front, so it makes for great footage of if you're recording a family trip or vacation or whatever. Awesome phone mount, highly recommend.